guys, it's me, Ty. I'm here in this forest. I'm at Everett's neighborhood. Go check out his channel. It's Everett Christensen, right?
Yeah.
It's really good. He has bottle flip trick shots like me. And we just want to build a fort out here. So yeah, let's do it. So guys, I'm just gonna cut off these leaves right here to make a fort.
And let's go.
Alright guys, so this is just part one because that's how far we've gotten on the hole. And that's how many sticks we have. And then there's some over there.
It's really hard.
Yeah. It's harder than you think. So yeah. But make sure you go check out his channel because he's making a video just like ours. Just like mine. Well, at the same place. He's recording right now on his phone over there. So go check out his channel and look at what he's doing on his.
Oh, tell me the name.
Oh yeah, Everett Christensen.
That's the name of my channel.
But anyway, we're gonna keep working. I'm not gonna do a time lapse because Everett's doing it. So
Yeah, and check out some of my videos just because Ty's in one of mine.
yep,
Ty's in one of my videos.
yep. We've said that a lot this video. So guys, hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like, subscribe. Yeah, we'll see you later.